Dominic Kirby, and here's your first quick computer tip. In this tip, I'm just going to show you a quick lesson on how to make your PC run a little bit faster. It's not going to be a huge increase or a huge difference as opposed to what it is now, but it will help a little bit, save you a little bit of system resources that Windows needs. So let's get started. I'm running Microsoft Windows XP, and if you're familiar with Windows XP, you'll know that this isn't the default theme, or what I mean by that is this bar down here, the taskbar, isn't that blue and green theme, or the shiny blue and green theme, whichever theme you may have enabled. And there's no desktop background, and you probably noticed that by now. And I'm going to show you how to do that, because what that does is makes Windows to be required to load a few less resources in the way of the images that control the taskbar and desktop background. So instead of having the desktop background, it just loads a solid color, blue, and instead of having the colorful different pretty colors taskbar, it just has that gray, which is a no image taskbar. So anyways, let's get started. What you're first going to do is shrink everything down, or close everything, whatever you need to do to get completely to your desktop. A quick way to do this is to press the Windows key on your keyboard, hold it, and then press D and release. Since everything's already shrank down, it didn't do it, but then everything goes down to your taskbar and minimizes. Then, somewhere on your desktop, not on an icon, on the desktop, right click, and click Properties. Then you get this window, and the first tab that comes up is Themes. Click the Themes drop down, and choose Windows Classic. Yours will probably say Windows XP, Windows Royale, whichever themes you have installed. You want Windows Classic, then you click OK. I'm not going to click it since I've already done it, but you would click OK. A little window pops up, says please wait. When it's done, it goes away, and voila, you have this theme enabled. Now, what you can do is, a desktop background really isn't much. It's not a huge resource, it does help a teeny bit. And what you do is, find your picture or whatever, you can still have a desktop background, and it won't make a difference, pretty much. Or if you still want to leave it no, for maximum optimization out of this tip, you can choose a color of any color really. Use their color mixer, which is kind of cool. And well, that's about that. Just remember to click OK instead of cancel, and you'll get this theme. Now the next step is a crucial step. You're going to click Start, you're going to click Run. You're going to type services.msc. This is going to open the Services tab. Now be careful when doing this and follow along very closely. I'm just going to click on a random one. I'm going to press the T key. That's going to take me down to the T since these are sorted alphabetically. Then you're going to find the one that says Themes. Now, on yours, if you haven't done this change yet, it's going to look like this. And this drop down is going to be automatic. And then you click Disabled, and then it's going to be started, and you're going to click Stop. You want to stop that service. That way the system doesn't load it when it starts up. And then you're going to click OK. It'll take a second to stop the service. It'll take probably less than a second to save it. And there you go, there's a little optimization tip for your XP PC, and this also works with Windows Vista and 7. It's just a little bit different. And stay tuned for future videos about those. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.